Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, thank you for checking the channel out. Today I wanted to show you a 3/8 cordless ratchet that I picked up off of Amazon. I've been looking at them for a while. That was one of the tools I didn't have in my toolbox, and occasionally I do need one. I just didn't want to spend the kind of money that it takes for some of these name brands. They're really expensive. I was able to pick this one up for a really good price on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description, so if you're interested you can check it out. But I want to just kind of show you what comes with this one. You know, a lot of times people spend a ton of money buying name brand for a tool that they use occasionally, and it just doesn't make sense to do that. There's a lot of off-branded tools that will do just as good a job for a lot less money. And this particular one I picked up is called the Prostormer. This is a 3/8 drive cordless ratchet. Comes with two 12-volt batteries and a charger. Comes in this nice case, so when you're not using it you can put it in the case, stick it back in your toolbox. It even came with this set of metric sockets from 17 down to 10. It has the little adapter so that you can go to a 1/4 inch drive if you need to. Also came with a little short 3/8 drive. Super easy, pops on. You can see you can change the direction on and off. Super. It does have a button here, so it's locked, and if you pull it down then you can lock it when you're not using it. What I wanted to do right now is I'll just show you, kind of demo how well it works. Here we go, just that, and unlock it. So we did that one, and we're going to switch sockets now and go to this one is a 13, and you can see on it too. So you can see this works just fine. Got plenty of power with the 12-volt battery. I like the fact that it came with two, because inevitably you're right in the middle of a job and you run out of battery and you always need a backup. So let's do the, let's take it loose now. Pretty quick. And then we can do the other one too, just a little bit. Got that. So if you're looking for a 3/8 ratchet, check this one out. It's called the Prostormer. It's very well made. I was totally surprised. A lot of times when you get products that are not name brand, you know, they can be disappointing, but this one does not disappoint. Like that, it has two batteries. It's got a lock on it. When you pull the trigger here, it does have a battery gauge on it, so you can tell how much power is left on the battery. Overall, I'd give it 2 thumbs up. Check this out if you're looking for a 3/8 cordless ratchet. I'll put a link down in the description. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family. And until next time, stay safe.